episode. I am out trick-or-treating with Brenna behind the camera, and I am with a few friends of mine, like Brenna, and it's gonna be an awesome one. Happy Halloween!
Trick-or-treat!
I wonder what they have for candy.
I'll do it. Oh, I want to press the ding dong. The ding dong can't work. I'll do it. Okay, you do your ding dong.
Don't spam it. Don't spam the doorbell.
I didn't get Billy.
So now we're walking and coming to our next house. I really hope it's good because it's raining, and I'm not sure if you can see it, but it is raining. So
Is this your
It's
first
kinda
rainy
wet.
Halloween?
I
think it's my
so.
first.
I think so. It's mine. If it's your first, it's mine first, because you've been living longer than me.
I mean,
So
we've lived in different places though, so maybe it was raining in one and not raining in the other. I don't know.
we're approaching our second house, and I wonder what they have for candy this time too, because last time it was just like
A Snickers, that's
a
what I got.
Snickers. And
I'm calling it.
That last house didn't have any candy.
hard to move in these bogs.
Yeah.
It's just
My shoes are
difficult.
sopping wet.
Really?
Yeah,
I told you. Do you want the umbrella?
maybe.
Or umbrella, whatever it's called. I hate
Okay,
these
we're
things.
approaching our next house.
Our third house. Let's see if we can keep track. So now we're at our next house. I'm pretty sure this is the fourth, and we're trying to keep track of how many houses we've been at. So we just finished the fourth house, and now we're walking up to, no, that was the fifth house over there. Now we're walking up to the sixth house. All my other friends are going so fast. It's crazy how fast they can go. So we just finished the sixth house, and now we're on our way down the road and hope we get some good candy, like Brenna said. And also, when we recorded our other videos, fun fact, Brenna was not a vegetarian, and now she is a vegetarian.
We've lost count of houses. It's getting really dark and it's still raining.
Yeah. And is that a police car? Not sure.
So we'll check back at you
We're
at the
into
house
our-
and show you all our candy.
Yeah. We're heading up to our next house too.
Okay, bye.
We have a lot of candy, and
We ended up
And
going a
we-
different direction because we found a good street with lots of candy.
yeah.
And we have so much candy right now.
Good fun fact. Go outside and trick or treat when it's raining.
Because you get a lot more candy
you get a
because there's
lot
less
more
trick-or-treaters.
candy because there's less trick or treaters, and they let you get handfuls and
Yep.
3s and 4s.
So here's our next house.
We just got that house, and my bag is unbelievably heavy. Once again, another tip is get trick or treat when there's candy. And
So I
just have
think
so
we're on
much
our way
candy.
back now.
Yeah, we're on our way back.
We've been on this road for like 20 minutes.
Yeah, and my bag is like heavier than
Okay,
any year.
so we're approaching our next house. We're gonna have
Yeah,
to turn off the camera.
Can you cut out the no and
Yeah.
Thank you.
Trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
Oh, wait a minute. Having fun?
Yeah. Thank you.
Brenna, look in your bag.
Brenna, look at my bag. Ow, this is so unbelievably heavy.
That's a lot of candy.
It's still recording right now.
People won't even know that it's recording because
Is it
we.
still recording right now?
Yeah.
I'm excited to get lots of more candy. But I also want to go back home. Okay, turn it off, turn it off. Hi guys, so we're finally back home. This is all of our, seriously? So this is all of our candy, we have a ton of it. And
Look at all that, guys. Oh my gosh.
we're gonna count it all. So we found our answers, and my answer, her answer is 62, and mine is 66.
Oh, it smells like chocolate.
My favorite piece of candy is probably this.
My favorite piece of candy is
this-
hot sauce.
Like, stop. This like ball thing.
Lightsaber.
My favorite candy,
Three pieces of
my
candy.
favorite candy
And I
is this.
haven't eaten, so technically
And
I
I got it last year and it's really good. Brenda, what's your favorite piece of candy?
All of it.
No, you have to pick
Maybe
one.
these.
got, oh yeah,
Or
I got
probably
another,
the
I got
lightsaber.
another Tootsie Roll
Nine.
that wants to trade me for.
100.
So we can
Yeah.
trade candies now. Don't mind the background noise.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna look through our candy. I had 66. He had 66. I had 62. And we're gonna look through our candy and we're gonna trade stuff that we don't like.
Don't jump it.
So
We're pretty much done. I just want to say give us a big thumbs up and subscribe because I really want to get enough subscribers to get a play button. And you guys can help me by going down below, clicking that red button, and then you subscribe. And also, if you can, click the bell.
Come on.
Or no. Bye.
bye.